Oh my god, I didn't film it. What's up guys? Hello and welcome back to my channel Chandrani Art, and I am Chandrani. In this video we are going to share about 3 topics that you need to know, and it will help you to learn digital painting and know better digital painting a lot. Okay, let's get started. Number 1 is do not apply raw color directly on your painting. So when you draw anything, try to avoid applying raw color directly on your drawing. Try to mix color. If you apply one particular color, your painting might look very flat. Try to use this kind of color that I have mentioned over here. So in digital painting, we don't use exact raw color, but we can use in between these colors. So colors that we see always mix up with light and shadows. So try to color a little bit different, not total opposite. Number 2, applying texture from the very beginning. It's a very bad habit, trust me. This will give you a ridiculous artwork that ever have you imagined about that. So applying texture from the very beginning and applying it too much in general will ruin your artwork's realistic look. It's better to use it like a little touch-ups, but not too much. Just to let know that there is something different that just going on that place or particular area that you are drawing right there. So on that particular area that's not has any kind of surface that is smooth, but it has some kind of different kind of surface which is not smooth. Number 3, applying too much blur or blending or using too much soft brushes. These are absolutely a big no. Sometimes we need to apply blur effect to focus on some area of our drawing. Like blurring background will help you to focus on your art subject. But anything on extreme level is not too good. So applying too much blur or too much soft brushes is also a bad habit. So try just to avoid that. So hope you guys enjoy this video a lot and learn something from this video. And if you learned something, then please hit a like button. And if you are new to this channel and if you want to learn digital painting or art related thing, then please do subscribe my channel. See you on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.